Hello everyone, welcome on the Nested Mango channel. Friends, I am Ramkesh Singh, Unity developer, and today we are going to learn how we can install Vuforia inside the Unity in 2018 Unity version. So friends, it's not too easy to install the Vuforia in Unity 2018, but when we want to work the same procedure whatever we were doing in the Unity 2017 or 16, so it was creating a little problem. We are getting the error that we have edit the Vuforia two times or multiple times. So friends, you can just register yourself on the Vuforia site, and then I will tell you everything how you can create your database, and I will create one application and you will see that how you can work with. So friends, if you have many users, more than 1000 users, so you have to just buy it. Otherwise you have less than 1000 conversions, so you don't need to buy it. So friends, earlier it was from the Unity that you have to create everything. You have to create the license, and we have also create the license, but we have not to download anything. We will just download the database. So I will tell you everything. So just we will copy this code and we will paste inside the Unity. So for the installing the Vuforia inside the Unity 2018, you don't have to do anything on the Vuforia side. So we will do everything inside the Unity. So let's do it inside the Unity. So friends, what you have to do it that you have to just open your asset store. So if you don't know how, so you can just click F+9, and if you want to open from the window, so you can just click on the window, and then there will be the option asset store. So friends, you can see that I am opening my asset store. So friends, it's too easy that you don't need to take the much more stress. You have to just type Vuforia AR, and you can see that Vuforia AR plus VR sample. So you have to just go below and you have to just download it in your case. So this is the Vuforia, and friends, it's a really very too much easy to create the app, and this is the future that in the future most of the game will be AR game. So just download and import. So I'm just doing the import. I have already downloaded, so let's import it. So friends, this is a simple way that we are going to work with the AR. And if you want to if you want to change the, so you can just go in the player and you can change it for the Android. So I will tell you, just I'm in this video I'm telling you that how you can install Vuforia in 2018, and in the coming videos I will tell you that how you can create application in the you can create AR application, and it's a really very too easy that you can create it. So friends, I will tell you everything. Just we are installing it, so you can see that it's taking a longer time, so just wait. And friends, if you are visiting channel first time, so please subscribe the channel. Here we post the learning tutorial for Java, Unity and Android. So friends, it's taking too much time, but friends, it's too much easy to, because anyone can work with it. You will get everything inside the Unity, so you don't need to take any too much stress that you are downloading from the Vuforia site. You just doing everything here, and I will tell you that how you can create the database inside the Vuforia. It will be too much exciting that how you are creating the database, how you are using the database, and how you are running the zombie on your particular emails. So friends, you can see that I have imported, and you can see that Vuforia have a configuration. So friends, first thing, then when you install the Vuforia, you don't need a normal camera. So you can see there are so many things, prefab model, so we don't want the normal camera, main camera, so just delete it. And then there are two way to access the Vuforia. Just click on in the hierarchy, right click, and then Vuforia, and then AR camera. So you can do like this, or you want to do like in the game object Vuforia and the AR camera. So you can see that I have added AR camera. So friend, what it does that it open the normal camera, and if you want to change it, so you can change it from the player setting into the Android or iOS. So it's a just simple way that how you can install the Vuforia inside the Unity. And earlier it was that you are downloading the Unity Vuforia, so it was too difficult. So hope you enjoy the video and hope you install the Vuforia inside Unity. Thank you so much for watching. Have a good day. Happy coding.